Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of wrenches. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, knowing the different types of wrenches and their uses is essential. This video consists of two parts. The first part is description of types of wrenches. And the second part is dialogue between two people about wrenches. Come on, let's dive in. Let's start with open-end wrenches. These wrenches have U-shaped openings at each end, and they are perfect for gripping two sides of a bolt or a nut. They are especially useful in tight spaces where you can't fit a socket. Next up, box-end wrenches. These have a closed loop that completely encircles the nut or bolt, providing more grip and reducing the risk of slippage. They are great for high torque applications. Next come combination wrenches. Combination wrenches give you the best of both worlds. On one end, it's an open-end wrench, and the other is a box-end wrench. The versatility makes them incredibly handy for a variety of tasks. Next is adjustable wrenches. Adjustable wrenches are incredibly versatile because you can change the size of the jaw to fit different fasteners. They're perfect for situations where you don't have the exact wrench size on hand. Now, socket wrenches. Socket wrenches, or ratchets, are designed to work with interchangeable sockets. They allow for continuous motion without removing the wrench from the fastener, making them perfect for quick and efficient tightening or loosening. Next come specialized wrenches. There are also specialized wrenches like torque wrenches, which measure the amount of torque applied to a fastener, and pipe wrenches, which are designed for gripping and turning pipes. There are also Allen wrenches, or they call them Hex-keys. Allen wrenches or Hex-keys are L-shaped tools used for driving bolts and screws with hexagonal sockets. They come in various sizes and are commonly used in furniture assembly, bicycle maintenance, and electronics. Now let's listen to the dialogue. Hey Jimmy, I've been meaning to ask you about all those different types of wrenches. There are so many and I'm a bit confused. Jimmy, oh, absolutely. I'd love to help. Let's start with the basics. For instance, open-end wrenches have those U-shaped openings, perfect for tight spaces. Alex, got it. And what about box-end wrenches? Jimmy, box-end wrenches have that closed loop, which means they grip the nut from all sides, giving you more torque and less slippage. That sounds super handy. And I've heard about combination wrenches as well. Jimmy, exactly. Combination wrenches are really versatile since one end is open and the other end is boxed. It's like having two tools in one. Alex, oh, nice. And what about those adjustable wrenches? They seem pretty handy too. Oh yes, definitely. They are. Adjustable wrenches let you change the jaw size, so you can use them on different fasteners without needing a whole set. Alex, that makes sense. And I suppose socket wrenches are a whole other category. Jimmy, you've got it. socket wrenches or ratchets. They let you keep turning without removing the tool from the fastener. They're super efficient. Alex. And we can't forget about the Allen wrenches, right? Jimmy. Absolutely. Allen wrenches or hex keys are perfect for hex socket screws, often found in furniture and bikes. Alex. Thanks, Jimmy. That really clears things up. I feel much more confident now. Jimmy. Anytime, Alex. Happy to help you become a wrench pro. Okay, friends, that's a wrap on our exploration of wrenches. I hope this guide will help you to choose the right tool for your next project. If you have any questions or want to learn more, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye. Take care.